Welcome to the Safety Tools Station. You're going to get your Safety Tools notes for this, and you'll see that it has this kind of shape like you're going to have this triangle cut out of it. Now, I'm not going to pause on this. I just wanted you to see that that's where we're at. So let's begin Safety Tools. Right underneath, scientists use tools to conduct investigations. Please copy the words that are missing from your notes. A tool is an object that helps you do work. Remember to press pause when you need to. Like a hammer is a tool for a carpenter. A pencil is a tool for, well, really anybody. A boat is a tool for a fisherman. So lots of tools. Next, measurement is the process of using tools to observe an object's properties like mass, volume, temperature, etc. Press pause if you need more time to copy those words. Next, two of our tools, and you're going to have to find this on your paper. It's probably sideways. A graduated cylinder. It's a container used to measure the volume of liquids. Don't forget, you're going to have to turn your paper sideways to get these words copied. Then, a ruler or meter stick. It measures length in centimeters. You can also add that it measures in inches. We're going to be doing both centimeters and inches. Okay, that's everything for that side. If you need to press pause to make sure that whole side is completed, please do so. When you're finished, turn your paper over so we can take a look at the specific tools. All right, our first tool is a microscope. It's an instrument that uses a lens to make tiny things look larger. Next, we have a couple of different tools. Our spring scale measures force in newtons. We won't use too many spring scales in sixth grade. You'll see that more when you get into high school. A test tube, we usually measure liquids in. A beaker is a cylinder-shaped glass container used to mix or heat liquids. It's the same shape as a graduated cylinder, but it's wider and shorter. Please make sure you press pause to get all of that information. Our next two is an aquarium and a terrarium. The aquarium is full of water, as you've probably seen before. Terrarium is a moist environment that plants and some animals can grow. And when I say animals, I'm talking like some worms, maybe a snail or two, frogs. Our next set of tools is a pan balance. So when you put materials in this side will go up. It's kind of like a teeter-totter. So in order to get both sides to balance, the weight has to be the same. This is a triple beam balance, and you will be using this as part of your station. We select an item to weigh here, and then we move the levers to determine what the weight is. You'll watch a video on how to use the triple beam balance. And another tool is a prism. You've probably seen a prism before, and it bends light rays. Copy those red words. And our last couple of tools, you're very familiar with a thermometer, I'm sure. It measures hot or cold. A lot of times, especially during COVID, we were used to seeing the digital thermometers. So this is kind of like the old school where we have to dip it in the water, the liquid or whatever, and then the mercury rises. So we will be talking about several different kinds of thermometers. Our last one is a compass, which measures direction north, south, east, and west. Press pause, go back, talk to your groups. Make sure you have all of your red completed before you come and check in with me.